this doesn't make it different from the white pigment, but however, it will really glow in the black light. Alright, so I have the unicorn brush right there. And now I'm gonna go into this rose. Just a little bit go a long way. I just even dab it on the leaves only. So try to like get detail for this petal so then you won't get a mess on that neon. Because sometimes it can get like a little bit of I just don't want to touch that. I don't think the star gonna stain for me, but I just don't want to take a chance. So I'm just gonna do it right is where all the roses is. Looks like it's really good. I'm gonna dust that off. Close this lid. The white one, please. And use my Forever unicorn brush. I'm just gonna dust it off. And if you're happy with this, then we'll just top coat this nails and it will be done. If you want to like doing a crystals, here you can add crystal right here and then go along with your roses. Should I just top coat it? Or should I just do some crystals on?
Yeah, well, top coat and condense. Keep the flower in and then you can put some crystal on it.
Alright, so I'm gonna do some if you don't want any crystals on it, just put the no wipe top coat on, keep it for 60 seconds and you're gonna be done. But I'm gonna put just a little bit crystal. I'm not gonna do too much. Condensed glue gels. It's gonna be your crystal bestie. If you're first time tuning in with us, welcome to Glitz Accessory and Such. Live tutorial brought to you by all of us at Glitz. Thank you so much for the love and support. That's why we're here for you every night. All right, so just thin coat. You don't need a whole lot. And little go a long way, but you don't want to do too thick. Also, you don't want to be too thin because it will flood your crystal if you're doing too thick. Also, if not gonna stay, crystal not gonna stay properly if you're doing it too thin. So I am going to put the second step on the top of uncured condensed glue gel, which is a no wipe top coat. I'm so excited today because it seems like it's gonna be a fun tutorial tonight. And also keep in mind you can change this look in different colors by changing the background and your pigments. Like for instance, If you have yellow background and you can do really hot pink roses, ooh, that's gonna be awesome. I can't wait. We're gonna do something similar like this, floating on the top of the crystals. And then we can add some, maybe some, oh, I have right here. I just don't wanna, just a little bit. Because the whole team, when we get meeting, and the team will like, Nancy, everything looks good and it's so gorgeous, and after that, bam, you put crystal on it, so it take whole away from the fusioning. So, but I love it. But it's always, every time before I put crystal on, I always suggest, if you don't want like crystal on it, just top coat and then you're good to go. But if you want crystals and condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat, and then you can place your crystals however you like it, or however your clients like it. I think it's just a little bit. It feel like nothing, but it's better to have the couple crystals than nothing, right? And maybe 3, and then that's, and I try not to take away from that. And using the small crystal, this one is going the wrong way. That's it. One more, the smaller one, maybe SS6. That's it. Something stuck on my. Make sure you turn it onto precision side to adjusting your crystal. You don't want your crystal, the glue gel, to stuck on your picker wax part. Okay, now we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds, and this now will be done.